The turtle's flute. In a jungle, a turtle used to play upon the flute on the riverbank. The animals loved his music. They often danced with joy. One day, a hunter saw the turtle playing upon the flute. The hunter trapped the turtle and took him home. He put the turtle in a cage. He said to his daughter, "Don't let the turtle out of the cage." The turtle did not like to live in the cage. He came up with an idea. One day, while the hunter was out, he played upon the flute. The little girl was mesmerized. She said to the turtle, "You play upon the flute wonderfully. I can dance even better, but there is not enough space here," replied the turtle. The little girl immediately opened the door of the cage. The turtle danced and played upon the flute. Suddenly, the turtle stopped. He said, "This hard floor is hurting my feet. Can we dance on the grass?" The little girl took the turtle out in the garden. The turtle again played upon the flute. The little girl got lost in the music, and the turtle started walking towards the jungle. Soon, the turtle vanished into the jungle, and so did its music. Moral of the story: look for the solution even in a difficult situation.